Welcome to PPT Genix. So today we are going to learn how to create a similar infographic slide. So let's start. So here I'm going to press the enter key and I'll go to the home tab and layout. I'm going to select the blank layout. Okay, now I will go to the insert option and I am going to select this shape. Okay, hollow circle. By pressing the shift key, I am going to create a circle like this. Now I'll just press this yellow circle to adjust the size of the inner circle like this. All right, and let's reduce its size. Perfect. Now in the next step, I'm going to insert a rectangle. Okay, and here is the rectangle. I'm going to place it like this. Now in the next step, I am going to select this circle first. Then I'm going to press the control key. Now I'm going to select the rectangle. I'll go to the merge shapes option and I'm going to select the subtract option. So finally we get something of this kind. Now I am going to select the shape and I'm going to press the Ctrl D option and I'll go to the rotate option, and in the rotate option I'll select flip vertical and I'm going to place it like this. Now I am going to insert another shape, that is this arrow shape. Okay, so let's create an arrow over here. All right, I'm going to rotate it like this and let's place it over here. Okay, for better view I'm going to show it to you like this. Okay, let's increase its size a little bit and place it exactly over here. All right, and now I'm going to send it backward like this. Now by pressing the control key, I'm going to select this arrow and this half circle, and I'm going to press the control G key like this. So I have grouped this one image. Now I'm going to place it over here and let's bring the entire grouped image forward. Perfect. Now in the next step, I am going to select this. I am going to press the right click button and I'll go to the format shape option, and in the format shape option I will go to the effects and I'm going to change the width to 3 points. For this one, similarly the width is going to be the 3 points. All right, now we have to give some colors. So to the bottom circle I am going to give this red color, maybe a darker one. Okay, and the shape outline is going to be the no outline, and for the upper one I am going to give this red color. All right, perfect. Now in the next step we will give some animations. So I will go to the animation tab. Okay, in the animation tab I am first of all going to select the upper half and I'm going to select the wipe option, and in the wipe option I will go to the effect options and I'm going to select from right, and for the lower half again the wipe option, I'll go to the effect option and in the effect option I'm going to select from left. Now I'll click on this animation pane and in the animation, I'll go to the animation pane, and in the animation pane the lower half I'm going to start after previous. So let's show you a preview once. So like this. Perfect. Okay, similarly we are going to create the 6 circles. So for that I am going to select both the circles like this and I'm going to press Ctrl D to make the exact copy, and now I'm going to place them one over other like this. Okay, as you can see, they are going little bit outside the area. So let's select all of them and shift by pressing the left arrow key. Hand side. So we'll start from the right hand side and we'll give some colors. So let's select. Okay, here I am going to select all right, perfect. Now this is very important step, so look here carefully. Now I'm going to select this and I'm going to bring this forward like this. I'm going to select this one and similarly I'm going to bring it forward. Now for this, the same step, bring forward. Either you can click on bring forward option, or you can go to the selection pane and you can select and change the position. So I prefer doing this. All right, perfect. Now let's have a preview. So like this, when I click, on the second click, on the third click. Perfect. Now in the next step, as you can see here, I have added some icons. So it's very easy to find the icons on Google. So I'll show you. Here, as you can see, I have already typed revise icon. So here I've selected this icon and click the right mouse button. I'm going to select the copy image over here and I'm going to paste it. Okay, now in the next step, I'm going to adjust its size. And here I'm going to place it in the middle of the circle. Now this is very important step. We'll go to the shape format and I'll go to the color option. And here you can see you can select any of the colors. So here I'm going to select the gray. All right. So similarly, you can add icons. So I'm just going to copy from my previous slide only. As you can see, as I have copied it from my previous slide, so I just have to change some color scheme. So it's yellow is perfect. For this, it's green. So I'll just change. I'll go to the color option and I'm going to select this yellow color. And for this, I will go to the shape format. I'll go to the color option. I'll prefer this green. It's fine. Rest all are fine. All right. Now, as you can see, I've already given them appear animation. So I'll show you. So as you will go to the animation. So as you can see, for these icons, I have given the appear animation. So now for this icon, so this is picture 2. I want it to shift here and when after previous. So similarly, I'll go to this, the picture 4, it should come here. For this, it is picture 6, I'll go here. This, I will shift it over here. For this, I'm going to place it here, and for this I have to give the animation. So I'll give appear animation and I'll go to the drop down menu and I will select start after previous. I'll show you the preview of it once. Perfect. Now similarly, I'm going to add the text box. So here I'm just going to copy it from here. So here is a text box. I'm going to copy by pressing the Ctrl C and I'll press Ctrl V to make the exact copy. So now this is very important. Let's remove the animation which I have already given. Remove. I'll show you. So I'm going to select this text box and I'm going to select this option appear. Normal, basic, appear, but when do I want to appear? Soon after this icon appears. So I'm going to shift it upward and in the drop down menu I'm going to select start after previous.